Jet here to show you how to modify your ringtone on the Yealink T40G. Many other features like this can be performed with the GoTo mobile and desktop apps. See the playlist links in the video description to learn more. You can choose a new ringtone for each line as needed. Press the menu soft key. Select Settings. Select Basic Settings. Use the arrow navigation controls to move down to see additional options. Choose Sound. And then choose Ringtones. And then specify which line you would like to modify the ringtone for. And I'll select My Extension Number. Highlight the desired ringtone to sample it. Select the desired ringtone by highlighting it. Press the Save soft key to confirm your choice. Please note this device supports silent ringtones. That's all there is to modify your ringtone using a Yealink T40G.
Thank you for watching the video. I've included links to additional videos about GoTo's products and features in case you want to learn more.